Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to see how to integrate Alertify JS in our PHP project. So previously we had made this add category form, and after adding the category we are being redirected back with the message, but we are not able to see the message. So we will integrate the Alertify JS over here to show the message. So first we'll go to Alertify JS website. So just search for Alertify JS. So here we have got the first link, and here is Alertify JS. So click on getting started. You will get the CSS and JS files over here. You have the JavaScript and CSS. So first we'll copy the CSS. So I'll just take this CSS, copy, and go to your admin folder. Inside the includes, you have the header.php. So over here, just add a comment, Alertify JS. Okay, and then you can just take one theme over here. So this is the default theme. This is the bootstrap one. So I'll just copy this bootstrap theme, copy and paste. So we'll get back to the website, and here you have the JavaScript. So just copy that and go to your footer.php. You can just add it over here. Say Alertify JS, paste. Okay. So we have included the CSS and JS files. So now we will see how to integrate the pop-up. So here under components, you have four options. Just click on this notifier and on position. So you'll get the code over here where you can set the position and the success message. So here you have options of the position. So I'm going to say top right. So over here, so when I click run, you'll get that pop-up. So you can just change this wherever you want, top left. I'll just keep it top right, and I'll just copy this code, copy, go to your code, and in your footer.php, after this JS, okay, add another script and paste your Alertify JS code. So here we have set the notifier position to top right, and then this will be the message. Let me just change this. Say hello world. Save. And now when you refresh your page, you must get a hello world notification over here. So you can see how got it over here. But this thing, whenever you refresh the page, you will keep getting, right? So only when the session message is set, we want to display that message in this pop-up. So here we are going to write an if condition. Say open PHP, close PHP. Say if is set function dollar underscore session of message. Okay, so if this is set, we will open the bracket over here and then put this inside this if condition, and over here we will just close the PHP closing braces. Yeah, so here we have given the if condition. If the message is set, then this thing is going to work. So instead of this hello world, you have to just print the session message. Okay, so just copy this, and here within single quotes open PHP and close PHP, and this equal to means echo. Okay, so I'll just echo this dollar underscore session of message. So we'll add a category now. Say footwear, just make this capital and just paste some description over here, upload an image of it. So the meta title, just copy the name and paste. Description, just paste something, just set it to popular and save. So you can see I got the message over here, category added successfully. So now we are getting the session message in our pop-up. So now if I just refresh the page, I am getting the message again, and let me refresh again, and the message is still there. So we have to unset that message once it has been displayed. So we'll just go to our code. So here once the message has been displayed, we have to unset the session. So before this closing bracket, we will just write the unset function. Okay, say unset and pass your session message in that. Okay, so just align this. So let us go and check if the message is still there. So now once we refresh the page, it will just show over here and then get unset. Then the second time when you just refresh, the message will not be displaying. So now when I refresh, it has been unset and it is not coming again and again. So that's it in this video, guys. We have seen how to integrate the Alertify JS in our PHP project. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.